learners, in this video we will delve into Gemini's features for people learning languages. This video is intended to give you practical knowledge of how creative you can get with Gemini. Let's get started. What can learners gain from using it? First, engaging in voice conversations for real-time practice. Second, receiving clear definitions and example sentences for new words or phrases. Third, learning vocabulary tailored to your language level. Fourth, accessing level-appropriate stories with key vocabulary highlighted. Fifth, generating images for enhanced visual learning. Sixth, obtaining detailed descriptions of images uploaded to Gemini. Take a note of this, people. You have to click on microphone symbol each time you want to send a prompt. Just similarly to Copilot AI. We talked about this in the previous video about Copilot AI. It was a 15-minute video where we demonstrated how you could use Copilot for language practices. We're going to talk about the most common prompts. First one is, "Hello Gemini. I want to have a conversation with you for language practice." Or, "Gemini, please roleplay IELTS or TOEFL examiner for me and ask questions one by one." Second one is, "Please define the word." You have to name the word you are learning about and then ask for example sentences. Please define the word, you name the word you are learning, and provide 10 example sentences. Third, provide 20 words of you name your level with definitions, example sentences, and translations to you name your mother tongue. Fourth, generate a story of, then you, again, name your level with new vocabulary highlighted. Fifth, generate an image of something, whatever. Sixth, provide a thoroughly detailed description of this image, the image you upload to Gemini. There are some notes to make here. There are some notes you might want to pay attention to. Listen, people. First, it's better to speak with it out loud if you want to garner confidence in speech. Second, translations that AI tools give out are not always correct since their databases are not advanced in all languages. Be aware of this. Third, you can use the sentences Gemini provides as a basis for your own random original sentences while practicing your language. Click on the microphone symbol so that you felt someone is listening to you practicing. Now let's see Gemini in action. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this microphone symbol here. "Gemini, I want to have a conversation with you. Please roleplay IELTS examiner for me and ask questions one by one."
Examiner, good morning. My name is Examiner's name. How are you today?
It has already started imitating the test, just exactly as I asked. "Gemini, just define the word accommodation and provide 10 example sentences. I need to learn this word right now."
Accommodation means a place to live or stay. Example sentences. 1. We need to find...
As you see, it is providing the definition of the word I asked about, and there is a section for 10 example sentences. Now we are going to move on to the third prompt. "Gemini, please provide 20 words of pre-intermediate level with definitions, example sentences, and translation to my mother tongue is Uzbek."
20 pre-intermediate English words with definitions, example sentences. 1. Casual, informal, relaxed. Example.
Alright, as you see, it has provided everything I asked in my prompt. The words, example sentences, and translation to my mother tongue. Now I'm gonna ask it to generate a story. Gemini, generate a story of pre-intermediate or elementary level, because that's my level with new vocabulary highlighted.
The lost puppy. Once upon a time, there was a little puppy named Max. Max was a very curious.
Gemini, please highlight the new words I'm supposed to learn from the story.
The lost puppy. Once upon a time.
Alright, now we got those words highlighted. As per Gemini, we have to learn these words in accordance with our level. Generate an image of Now I'm gonna ask it to generate an image. That's our 5th prompt. Gemini, generate an image of a smartphone in a cyberpunk world.
Sure, here is an image of a smartphone in cyberpunk world.
Alright. Oh, this looks cool. Now I'm gonna copy one of these images to ask for a thorough description. Gemini, please provide a thorough description of this image.
Image description. The image showcases a futuristic smartphone with a sleek, metallic design.
Alright, so we are done for today. We have learned prompts and what we can gain from using Gemini in this video. If you try to use it in your own experience, it definitely will speed up the process of your learning. That's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video.